really excited about the sensory walk because it actually offers students with all different needs something. And it's an added way for them to move where they don't normally get that type of input going through the transitions of their school day, in and out of the classroom, in and out of the bathroom, back and forth from lunch and things like that. The sensory pathway really targets at a mixture, a recipe, so to speak, of different types of movement that tap into sensory systems that we don't normally talk about, primarily the vestibular system and the proprioceptive system. So when the body or the head is going up and down, upside down, in and out, or moving, that taps into the vestibular system. The jumping, the pushing on the wall, especially with the upper body where we don't get a lot of input throughout natural movements throughout the day, both at school and at home, the kids really benefit from that type of input. A lot of the little kids can't keep their eyes off of it, so they're actually using self-inflicted regulation tools by going down the hallway, even when maybe it's not their turn to use the sensory pathway, they're following the path, and it keeps them at bay during transitions, because sometimes transitions are really hard for especially our younger students. Our older students, we just use a visual card or even a verbal suggestion. Do you need to use the sensory pathway? A lot of them are learning that it's another sensory tool that they can use and have access to. These opportunities allow us to give us teaching at natural moments in terms of taking turns, waiting our turn, being patient, things we can do with our bodies while we're waiting. So having the addition of the sensory pathway has really, really been a huge help with the regulation and the emotional regulation of students of all ages.